Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be building a simple web scraper using BeautifulSoup4 in Python. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So before we start, we want to ensure that we have BeautifulSoup4 installed in our environment. If you're using Replit, it's pretty straightforward. You just add the library to the REPL and it'll automatically download. Next, we import the necessary modules for our web scraper. So go, just run that, make sure it works. So we're using the request module to fetch the web page and Beautiful Soup to parse the HTML. Now let's define our URL. For this tutorial, let's scrape, I don't know, a simple page. Let's do the Wikipedia homepage. Just copy that real quick. Now we'll use requests to get the web page. The get method fetches the HTML content of the web page. Now let's parse through this using Beautiful Soup. We pass the HTML content response.txt through Beautiful Soup, which parses the HTML and allows us to navigate it and search through the HTML tree. Oh. Now that we have our soup object, let's do something fun. Let's find all the headlines on the Wikipedia main page. You can do this by using the find all method, which returns h1, h2, and h3 tags, which often contain headlines. We then print the text after finding all of the h1, h2, and h3 tags, which often contain the headlines. We then print the text of each headline, stripping any whitespace using the getText.strip. Right, let's make sure this works. Alright, and there we go. We just built our first web scraper. You can adapt this code to scrape other websites. And yeah, so that's going to be it for this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like on the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.